Greetings to everyone on the best channel about trading. So today we will trade on the 5-second deals and try to earn as much as possible to our initial deposit, and let's see what will happen. And also I want to show you a new strategy, another cool strategy. So also I want to remind you about the link in the pinned comment to my Telegram channel. So follow it and start earning with me. So today, friends, we will consider the RSI and stochastic indicators together. So now I will explain how we will do it. I set RSI in such a way that I had only one line at 50. I removed level 70 and 30, so it is more convenient for me. I left the stochastic in its usual values. So, how we're going to work, let me explain. Stochastic breaks through one of the lines, and accordingly we look further at RSI to see if there is RSI on the indicator at that moment. So there is an intersection in any direction of the lines. Based on this, we open our deal. At this moment, the stochastic shows that we had broken through the overbought zone, and at the same moment, the RSI shows us the line has crossed from top to the bottom. So, based on this, we would open a deal for an increase here. Again, let's look at the chart one more time. Here we can notice a slight crossing from the bottom up, and our chart we can see went up. So the indicators can be used in combination or separately, but we can notice that at the moment when the stochastic crossed the RSI, it finished breaking through any line. Accordingly, it is at this moment that we will open our deal. So I think that this is all logical and quite understandable. So let's start our trading. Let's open a 10-second short trade for $100. So why did I open a trade for a fall? Let me explain. So here we see RSI began to move, and here we are seeing the same thing. Accordingly, we can open a deal for a fall. So let's open. Our first trade closed successfully with a balance $192. So let's look for a new deal. So friends, we're waiting for confirmation. The stochastic has already crossed the line. The RSI hasn't yet crossed the line, so we can't draw any conclusions yet. So let's watch. Stochastic crosses the line, and RSI still hasn't done it, so we can't draw any conclusions yet. We are already waiting for the exact moment when their readings converge, when the RSI will show us a trend change and the stochastic too. So we still wait. So we are approaching the middle line now, and we need a little lower. So here, let's open a trade at this point. So the deal was successfully closed, $700 on the balance. So I want to say that these indicators work very well together. Let's look for another deal. I found another deal for us. We see with you that the stochastic indicates to us a trend change due to the fact that it crossed the line and still crosses it. But we are waiting for RSI. So now we can open a 5-second down trade with you. The second deal in a row was successfully closed. So this is great because it took about 10 seconds and I immediately found a second deal for us. So I will look for our next deal. So we see that the stochastic and RSI together works great. So we will open our last deal with you. I think everything is clear from these indicators. This transaction will be final and in total we will receive approximately $2,000 with you. So I think this is a good result. Now let's look for interesting assets with you. So we are looking for a new deal. Not very suitable here, I think. So let's search. This is the asset we can consider with you. So we can see that the RSI is quite close to the middle line and the stochastic has already crossed this overbought line. Accordingly, we can count on the fact that we can open a deal for a fall. So we are waiting for confirmation of our indicators. And most likely it will be the next candle. So let's wait. We need both indicators, their confirmation. So yes, the next candle will be a confirmation for us. So we see with you that the candle is heading down. Confirmation is in progress at the moment, so open a short trade for 1,000 for 10 seconds. Let's wait. There are 2 seconds left and our deal is successfully closed. On the balance, $2,278. So I think that is a good result for 20 minutes. So of course I could have made more money in one trading session, but I think this is a good proof that my strategy is working. So the indicators are just perfectly tuned, and thanks to this I was able to show you such a result. Therefore, you cannot be afraid and calmly and confidently make money with the help of these indicators. You shouldn't be afraid of trading. You just need to study the required literature as well as know the working strategies. So I don't think it is difficult. I also want to remind you about the link in the pinned comment to this video. Follow this link and start earning big money with me. So in my Telegram channel there are signals and much more. Sometimes I even trade in my Telegram channel online with you. So thank you for watching this video. I wish you all good luck and big profits. See you next video. Goodbye.